Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from C-Drama Girls. Today presentation is about Korean clothing. Okay. Our group members is me, Awani Malika Shani, and Farah Malika Pupa. We're missing one member, which is Kak Faiha. So we're going to do the presentation without her. Clothing. The hanbok, Korean dress, is a traditional clothing of Korean people. The term hanbok is primarily used by Korean, clothes Korean, or Koreans referred to as choan. The clothes are also worn in the Korean diaspora, Oreo Saram, ethnic Korean living in the land of the farmer Soviet onions. Also written in hanbok tradition, hanbok people wearing a common hanbok wearing a formal hanbok until the first five-place of original Korea. Introduced at least since Gongyo period, hanbok North Korea named Joseongwil Hata, show transcription South Korean names Hangul, Hanja, show transcription Korean have worn hanbok since then at currently the least visual description of hanbok can be traced back to the Three Kingdoms of Korean period, 57 BCE to 668 CE. For example, this is the Korean hanbok Korean people wearing. Is this very pretty, guys? You can see this is very amazing and pretty.
Chill, Korean Muslim clothing. How can we use Muslim clothing in Korea? Islam Korean is a minor religion in South Korea and North Korea. The Muslim community is centered in Seoul and Busan, and there are a few mosques around the country. According to the Korea Muslim Federation, there are about 200K Muslims living in South Korea, and about 17 to 18% are foreigners. Seoul alone has 40% of South Korea total Muslim population. The Ministry of Korea appears has had an iftar dinner during months of Ramadan every year since 2004. This is the photo. This is the example.
This is the example of Korean Muslim in Korea. Oh my gosh. They are very pretty, right, guys? Yes, it's very fashionable. Fun fact. First of all, has a rich history that spans over 1,000 years. Originally designed for comfort and practicality, hanbok features vibrant colors and elegant lines that time symbolize the wearer social status and personality. Second of all, this year marks the 10th anniversary of the Korea hostage crisis in Afghanistan, which was a turning point in the history of Islam in Korea. Today, South Korean Muslims make up a teeny minority. 0.2% of the predominantly predominantly Christian and Confucian society. Put in the comment.
Okay, it is a very great presentation. Thank you for your group, Chani, Salsa, and Fira. My question is, you talk about, you presented the Muslim clothes in Korea. So what do you think about that clothes? Is it, in your point of view, is it nice or what?
It's very nice and stylish and fashionable for Korean people, especially Muslims. They are very covering their aurat and everything. Yes, it's very fashionable, even though in Korea. I really love their traditional clothing, which is hanbok. I really want to go to Korea someday.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Very good.